Hey.
Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Can you wag your tail? Thank you.
Let me get that. Done.
Кайф,
Oh my god!
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
What is that?
Let me see your smile.
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want?
She said they might have left. They might have left. Out there in the lobby. Yes, yes.
You've got Kelt there. No running on the road.
You should. All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Let me finish the question. Okay.
So you can stop looking at me, because this is one of those times.
Was done. You came. You, girl.
Be gentle.
Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Gentle. Oh my god.
Small, Papa, like that. Tiny. You just didn't learn. Clearly the trash can didn't work. Come here. Come here.
I don't know where the hole is, bud.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up.
What the hell?
The light. Right here. Hold it still. You're not very good help.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
I fucking love you so much! Oh, Teddy, you are so ugly. Yes, you're so ugly.
You were the cutest thing in the entire world. I love you more than anything. You see? Nothing. But if I turn around and go, I'm stupid, I fucking hate you. I hope you die in a fire. Yes. Yes.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
Jake.
Who did?
Bad dog.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Precious. Hello.
Dodge. Can you spot a dumbass bitch? Oh.
Excuse me? What are you doing?
Stop it! Stop! Wait, chiquita! Chiquita!
Smile, Paul, let's see smile. Nikki, thank you, Nikki, smile.
Hello, baby! Oh! I see you smiling, girl! Are you smiling?
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor.
Why is it spicy?
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
Oh no.
He's dead.
Did I kill him? Didn't work.
Oh no!
200 volts. Oh, no! 400 volts. Oh my God!
Leo! Leo! No! Donnie, no.
You wanna go for a...
Going for a walk.
What do you think? You wanna...